I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my Pyrex baking pie pan. I've absolutely been loving using this pan. I've had it for a few years now, so as you can see, it is still holding up quite nicely. I love this pan because it bakes everything so evenly, so whenever I make pies or pot pies or cake layers or any other thing in here, it heats, it bakes everything evenly. So I love that about this pan. I also love that it is super easy to clean. So whenever I bake in it, I can just wipe any gunk out, anything that's baked on, and it comes right out and is able to keep up the appearance of this pan. So it is super nice looking, it is durable, it's lasted me for years, it bakes everything easily, and I have been super happy with it. And that's my point of view.